Okay, this is my final video for the day. This is my final test of the EpocCam HD app. I have installed the EpocCam HD app on my iPad, and I'm using a tripod, which happens to be the JustStand V2. I have the camera of the iPad about 12 inches from my piece of paper here. I've printed out with 14-point font here, and I want to see if I'll be able to write on the piece of paper here. So let's see how well it works. If I subtract 5 from both sides of this equation, I'm going to get x squared minus 7x minus 5 equals 0. So using the quadratic formula, I see that a equals 1, b equals negative 7, c equals negative 5. Now I'm going to pause the video while I write down the quadratic formula. So there's the quadratic formula. Now let's substitute in the values of a, b, and c. We're going to get positive 7 plus or minus this expression. And now simplifying, I get x equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 20 will be 69 all over 2. And I have used about a half a piece of paper to do this. This might be a good way to do examples for Zoom videos. Have a great day.